Hello everyone, welcome back to Thousands of Roots. We have a special evening ahead of us. Tonight we are going to be going over to some friends' house. They are a family just getting started on a new homestead. Tonight we get to plant a year's worth of Patreon trees. Wow. So this video is sponsored by our patrons. We want to say thank you so much to all of you on Patreon. You are really one of the biggest reasons why we are still making videos today. So thank you. And a very special thank you to those who have chosen the reward level that allows us to plant trees on other people's land, on their homesteads, and help them get started. So come along with us this evening. We are excited and glad that you're here to join us.
Yeah, and just to maybe kind of clarify, these trees we went and purchased. We took over to the property and staged them there a couple months ago.
Yeah.
And then we're going back over this evening to actually put them in the ground.
Yes, the area is ready now, so we're going to be able to get them in the ground.
Yeah.
So before we go, I just want to say thank you to the Burton family. We're doing 3 trees for your family. To Diann F, thank you. Also 3 trees are going to be planted for you. Laura S, we're planting 2 trees for you. Keli M, 3 trees. Cynthia S, 3 trees. And Lorraine B, thank you. Also 3 trees planted for you. So 17 trees total. And that will catch us up to actually February of this year. So in a few months we're going to have a whole nother group of trees that we're going to be planting on another homestead.
Yeah.
Yep.
And it's our privilege to be able to go and bless this other family with these trees that really you guys have purchased for them. So thank you.
Huge. That's an apple.
Yeah, an apple.
Stamen. I think it's stamen apple.
We're cheating this time.
It will loosen.
There we go.
There we go. Teamwork.
Yeah, I think I'm tilting it so it's going to stand up more, a little more straight. So.
You excited? So exciting. up to? You making a clay ball? Let's see it.
Look, it's a cucumber. I wonder who planted that.
Okay, we're putting in the last tree here for the Knowlton family.
Yeah, appreciate it.
This is a bunch of trees and elderberry bushes and all kinds of stuff. This is going to be awesome and very fruitful.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Thanks for coming over, guys. Appreciate it.